In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select language in Visual Studio Code. This is really useful when you're working with different programming languages or file types and you want proper syntax highlighting, code suggestions, and formatting. Let's start from the very beginning so you can follow along easily. First, make sure you have Visual Studio Code open on your computer. You can use either the desktop app or the web version. The process is basically the same. Once VS Code is open, look at the very top left of the window. You'll see a menu bar with options like File, Edit, and so on. Go ahead and click on File. This is where you create new files, open existing projects, and access many of the core features of the editor. After clicking File, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you want to choose the option called New File. Click on New File, and VS Code will open a brand new, empty file in the main editing area. At this point, the editor might not know what kind of file you're working on yet, so the language mode could be set to plain text by default. Now that your new file is open, it's time to select the language. Look towards the bottom right corner of the VS Code window. You should see a label that either says plain text or shows the name of a current language mode, like JavaScript, HTML, or Python. Click on that language label. When you click it, a panel will appear at the top or center of the screen, listing all the languages that Visual Studio Code supports. This is where you select, meaning you choose the language you want for your file. You can scroll through the list or start typing the name of the language, such as HTML, Python, or C++, to quickly filter the options. Once you see the language you need, click it to apply. As soon as you select the language, you'll notice that the colors in your code editor might change.